previous live session, okay, we are going to discuss the human system point wise, okay, in a question answer style. Okay, so this is the topic for today live, that is the human body system. Okay, so student, first of all, the goal for today's live session is to understand the major system of human body, okay, their component and their function. Okay, so first of all, we try to understand what are human body system. Okay, so human body system, we all know, if we have to define it, okay, so the definition, it will includes the group of organs, okay, so these group of organ that will to perform function, okay, in order, okay, so the organism, okay, it has to perform optimally, and for that the various human body system work together, okay, and this will ensure the survival and health. Okay, so this is the first thing. The second thing is, do you know how many types of major body systems are there? So there are major body systems, okay. So what are those? The first system is the circulatory system. Then we have the respiratory system. Then we have the digestive system. Then we have the nervous system. The next is the muscular, skeletal, endocrine, immune, integumentary, excretory, and the reproductive system. Okay, so these are the 11 major body system of the humans. Okay, so let's first understand what's the role of circulatory system. Okay, so student, the circulatory system, so the name itself indicate that it will circulate. Okay, so what it will circulate, it will transport gases, okay, that is the oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and waste products throughout the body via the blood. Okay, so this is the through the blood. Okay, so next question is, so what are the parts of circulatory system? So student, the parts of circulatory system, it will include heart, blood vessels. So blood vessel, it will include arteries, veins, capillaries, and last but not the least, we already discussed the blood. Okay, so this is the function of the circulatory system. So next is the respiratory system. So do you know, students, what is the role of respiratory system? I will write RS in the short. Okay, so the name itself indicate that the respiratory system, it will facilitate the gas exchange. Okay, so what our human being, what we are taking inside, which gas we are taking inside, student? We are taking oxygen, okay, and we are throwing out the gas, that is the carbon dioxide. Okay, and this will support our cellular respiration system. Then next question is, do you know what are the key parts of the respiratory system, students? So the respiratory system, it will involve nose, trachea, lungs, bronchi, and the diaphragm. Okay, students. Now let's talk about the our third important system, that is the digestive system. So this is very important, student. We all digestive system, and what are the organs involved in the digestion process. Okay, so the digestive system, student, we will write DS for this. Okay, so the digestive system, it will involve breaking down of our food. Okay, so it will take part in the food breakdown. And why we need to break down our food? Because when we have taken the food, okay, so we are taking the nutrient rich meals, right? So we have to take the nutrients from food, we have to draw the nutrients from food. For what purpose? For the our energy, growth, and repair process of body. Okay, so likewise, the next question is, which organs are involved in digestion? So the digestion, it will start from mother mouth, okay, then esophagus, then stomach where the food will be broken down, then intestine where the food will be absorbed, okay, the liver that will, and the pancreas. Okay, so these are the component of the digestive system. So in this before closing this live stream, I will just quickly discuss the nervous system. Okay, and we will take another live session on remaining topics later. Okay, so the nervous system, what it will do, student, it will control and coordinate our body activity. Okay, how? By transmitting the signals between body and brain. Okay, so quickly let's discuss about the main component of our nervous system. So the nervous system, it will include brain, spinal cord, and the nerves. Okay, so student, this is all in this live stream. I will catch you later some other time. Thank you for watching the stream.